Hey guys, Oliver Windows here, and today I am freaking back. Would you look at that? After 6 months, I decided to post a very unique video about a keyboard of all things, but that is totally opposite from what I'm doing today. As you can see, today I am unboxing an unopened package of Windows NT 4.0. I also have the $5 Windows 98 laptop right behind it, and the reason for that is because it says Windows 98 or Windows NT on the sticker itself, so that's like one of the main reasons why I decided to do this. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. I am not shilling my merch just like this. There's actually my address like sticker on this box, and I'm using my hat to, you know, hide it. But I mean, hey, alloverwindows.com, am I right? Anyways, let's go ahead and open this box up. Here we go. Set that off to the side there. Alright, it appears to be shipped night. What the heck is that about? What is it? Did they have that glued? It's like foam. Glued foam. That's weird. This must be reused packaging. But, alright, let's move that off to the side, and we're immediately greeted with a note. It's very lovely that they'd include something like this, but that's not why we're here. We are here for this. Microsoft Windows NT Workstation. Packaged very well. And like I said before, it says that it's completely unopened, so I'm hoping that to be the case. I did see the pictures and they had like those circular stickers on them, but I don't know if like that was put on afterwards or whatever. So that's one of the reasons why I'm going to go ahead and open this, because I do love having unboxed things. But I still haven't opened this. This is still in its packaging. So hopefully this will appeal for this. God, this thing is so much heavier. Significantly heavier. Holy crap. But alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this open. Y'all are not here to just listen to me yap. I can't find my knife. It's time to do it the old-fashioned way. Oh. Did they do that on purpose? Oh, that's lovely. They folded it in like that so I could have easy rip-open access. That's awesome. I love that. Alright, let's get this out of here. Maybe. Did they do it over here too? Yes, they did. Look at that. They left little flaps to make it easy to pull the tape off. Wow, that's awesome. Can I take it out now? No. Yes. No. Two more. There we go. What the heck? So, unfortunately, this did have stickers on it, so the box is like a little bit, you know, ruined with this. That's probably why it was as cheap as it was, but so it's the Windows 95 interface, Windows NT Power for PCs without Windows NT Workstation. See, it has this giant sticker on it, but considering that this is there, I don't know if this was like, this might have been like opened previously. I don't know, there's not any signs of like box tearing or anything. Let's go ahead and get a good look at the box here. Windows NT Workstation, Windows 95. Yeah, see, that would say 98 originally, so this definitely did come out before Windows 98, which I knew, but in case some people didn't. And I will be... just pause to read. Optional network adapter card. It's not even necessary. I wonder what build this is, actually. Like, is this the first version? Like, before all the Surface Packs? Interesting. Let's see. There's a certificate of authenticity here. It's actually got texture to it. Cool. Nice. I guess without further ado, let me go ahead and try and find my knife. Dude, I literally just used it. Hey, there it is. I found it. I remember where I put it now. Alright. Yep, this is the same knife used in the other videos. Let's go ahead and put that in there and slice. Very nice. Let's go ahead and open this up here. It is the English version, I assume is what that means there. Alright, slide that out. I hate that I unboxed it, but hey. Could be a collector's item, but it's good for the it's good for the content, you know? How are you supposed to open this? This way? Alright. And we are greeted with some interesting stuff, question mark? Alright, set that off here, I guess. So we are greeted with the Windows NT Workstation operating system. Okay, this is still sealed. This is still sealed. There's plastic wrap all over it. Oh, look at that. There's the CD key. Not sure if I'm allowed to, see that. Yo, this comes with a floppy disk too. It's not open either. Holy crap. Oh, this is hype. Oh, it comes with 3. What are these? Startup disks? Operating system. I can't read that. You got your guide to service and support. I'm probably not going to go through all of these, but... Oh, this is so interesting. Okay. Yeah, I don't really care much for this stuff. Put that off here. Want the address of the most important Whoa, what? Want the address of the most important person at Microsoft? So do we. Ha! Oh, that's awesome. We are the most important person at Microsoft. You, us, the people. You're our most important partner, and when you send in your address, we'll back you with access to Microsoft technical support, customer service when you need it, notifications, and special pricing of products, information from Microsoft TechNet. Bro, this is in pristine condition. Pristine condition. And there you go. Got you a card to send to them. Illinois. That's awesome. Now we got our Start Here Windows NT booklet, which is probably just like, tutorial and like, there's your license agreement. I don't want to... Ooh, look at that. I was going to say, I don't want to look at it if there's not any pictures, hardy har. Oh, cool. I love that these things come with freaking user manuals. The world has advanced so much that operating systems and everything don't need user manuals anymore. This is awesome. I love this. I'm kind of glad that I opened it now. Alright, set that off here. Hardware compatibility list. Wow, this is a big book for that. Oh my gosh, is it actually just... Wow. Yo, do people actually... Would people use these back then? I don't know, I wasn't born yet. Which is an insane thing to say, but I wasn't born yet. But, alright, let's set this stuff up back here. I guess let's open this first, just to see what these are. I assume they're like some sort of startup discs of some kind. Okay, yeah, setup disk. I can barely see it through there, but it says setup disk. Why are there 3 of them, though? Do I need them, actually? That's a good question. I might have to look at the installation, because I don't have a computer with the floppy disk on it. Well, I do, but I don't have it ready. Yeah, okay. Setup disk 1, setup disk 2, and setup disk 3. Windows NT series. Did you know that we're actually using Windows NT to this day? Windows 11 is a part of the Windows NT series, which is awesome. In case y'all didn't know, NT means new technology, so they thought ahead of that. I'm almost too scared to even open this. But that's why I'm here. There we go. Gotta watch out for the disc. I felt it when I was doing that. I hope this doesn't have any, like, disk rot, because that's just a thing going on now. Okay, Okay, that does not open up, it's just a sleeve. Ooh, it's already pretty. It's so pretty. Oh, look at this. Oh, man. Okay, this contains code to run on Windows NT compatible 456... Wait, what? Disk contains code to run on Windows NT compatible 486 Pentium, MIPS, R4X00, Alpha PowerPC, and Pentium Pro systems. I don't even know if this computer, the freaking Windows 98 laptop, is old enough to run this. Oh, look at how pristine. It is so pristine. Whoa, it's reflecting on the the wall. I can't show y'all because the reflection will go away because I'm using my camera, or my whatever. Alright, I'm going to be taking this and just hiding it away for now. Put it back in the sleeve there. I'm going to see if I can get this computer doing what I need it to do. It is unlikely that I will, but it's worth a shot. I will be back. Alright, so apparently it actually just loads with this. It just loads with the CD. I thought, I put it in there and nothing happened, so I thought something, no, it was wrong. So I was trying to get the floppy drives to work, but it just didn't want to. And then I restarted the computer and it said loading Windows installation files. I was like, oh, okay, it just works. So let's go ahead and just get on with it, I guess. Let's install. For the first time ever, this thing is going to be installed on a computer, which is insane. I'm not even, I wasn't even born when this came out, and this is the first time it's being used on a computer. Did y'all hear about the new, like, quote-unquote drama that has been going on with iRobot? You know, the company that makes robot vacuums, the Roomba. You know, the Roomba, that's pretty much what robot vacuums are known for. A lot has happened. Oh, look at that! A lot has happened with it, actually. One, the freaking CEO is freaking quit because they were losing money fast. Two, I actually just found out, but apparently the Amazon thing, apparently Amazon was going to buy them out, but that flopped, so that didn't happen. Three, they got a new CEO, and they freaking designed these new robots that just like, they just look like the rest of them. They literally have a patent. They have a patent that they're the only robot vacuum allowed to have the dual rollers, and these new robots don't have them. Which is really upsetting, because not only that, but the suction power is just worse. They compared their suction to be like, oh, 70 times more suction power than previous models or whatever. They're comparing it to the 600 series, which is an incredibly old freaking series. But wow, alright, let's go ahead and Windows NT Workstation Setup. Welcome to Setup, the setup program for the Microsoft Windows NT operating system, version 4.0, prepares Windows NT to run on your computer. To learn more about Windows NT setup before continuing, press F1. To set up Windows NT now, press Enter. To repair damaged Windows NT 4.0 installation, press R. To quit setup without installing Windows NT, press F3. Pressing Enter now. Recognize the following mass storage device. Alright, continue. Alright, page down. F8. Sure, I guess that works. It thinks that it's a Windows 95. Delete partition. Yes, delete. Unpartitioned space. That's good that it does show my hard drive on there. I do know that it's probably too big for Windows NT 4, so it's going to want me to create a partition. On the highlighted partition, I'm going to press Enter and just see what it does. Format using NTFS. Yeah, you must return to the previous screen, select it, or create a smaller partition, which is insane that it's too large. So yeah, delete, create. I'm going to assume it needs 7553. So let's try that. Enter, NTFS. Oh, it's still too large? Okay. Delete. Let's try that again. Let's just try... Whoops. Let's just try... We do 5 megabytes? That is... 5 megabytes, that's too small. Hang on, let me think. Can I do 15 megabytes? 15. Come on now. Get it together. Let's see. Can I do 50 megabytes? Is that too big? No, that seems too big or too small. What about 350? 500. There we go, 500 megabytes. WinNT. To allow setup performing an exhaustive secondary examination of your hard disk, press enter. Sure. Oh, the joys of having small installs. I'll probably have to go through and like try and update it, but it is what it is. While we wait, why don't you guys take a quick break and go check out my new merch? Look at this thing. This thing's freaking sick. I actually wore it outside a few times, so alloverwindows.com. I do have other merch available also, which reminds me, I actually have some merch left in my mailbox that I just ordered that just arrived and I haven't grabbed it yet, but I've got this, I've got stickers, I've got pajamas, etc, 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 etc. Go check it out, alloverwindows.com. Portion completed. Remove it, also remove any CDs. Okay. Checking hardware. I never understand why this takes so long. I didn't choose FAT, I chose NTFS. I doubt this is going to have any drivers on it, by the way. I think the laptop might be a little too new for it. Oh, we got a screen. Ooh, yeah. Jeez, that scared me. Alright, I put it back in. Here we go, time for the actual setup. Oh man, I don't know if I've ever installed Windows NT 4 on actual hardware before. MP setup option that's useful for portable computers. This is portable. Custom, let's customize. Ooh, that was close. Oh, I gotta get the CD key. Let's just call it first install, why not? Password, do I need one? No. No thanks. Alright. Accessories. What is not selected? Obviously wallpaper. And mouse pointers too. WordPad. Games. Multimedia. What in here is not selected? Jungle sound scheme? Sure, let's enable all the sound schemes. I believe I know what these sound like, but hey, why not? Windows messaging, internet mail, Microsoft Mail, Windows messaging, nah, don't need any of that. Alright, let's go ahead and push next here. Yeah, networking is not going to work. I probably could actually run an Ethernet cord to this. I have a spare one right back there. Yeah, let me do that. I've never actually connected this to wired. I didn't even think about that. I don't know if this is Ethernet or if this is phone. Hopefully it's Ethernet. Nope, that's phone. What about the other side? Or the back side or something or other. Oh shoot, I messed my camera up. Was it worth it? No, not really. It only has a phone line. I thought for sure that was an Ethernet port. But unfortunately not. I don't have a phone line running in here, unfortunately for me. Yeah, just don't worry about it right now. Figure that out later. Oh. No. Let's go to Eastern. What time is it? Oh, that's correct. Cool. Can I increase it? Alright. Guess not. Alloverwindows.com. Pinball! I've got pinball! Let's freaking go! Good old Space Cadet pinball. I'm trying to find my drivers. Where did they go? I had a driver's disc, but I don't know where it went. And restart. I guess I don't need the disc anymore. So let's put that back where it belongs. Tucked away in its little sleeve. Wow, look at that, we're already in the login screen. I've installed Windows NT 4 before, but I've forgotten, to be honest. No password. No audio either, unfortunately. I don't know where to find the audio. I've got this driver disk here, but I don't know if it'll work. It's just barely cracked. Let's see, I guess. Oh, would you look at that? And I do have Windows NT on here. Let's see. I guess I'm just going to go through here and install them all. Well, this is going to take a while, so I guess I'll get back to y'all whenever I get to the actual driver installation. Well guys, it appears that I made it crash. I installed the wrong video driver and it just completely broke. So that's not on Windows NT, that's just on me. So unfortunately, I'm just gonna leave it here. I'm just gonna, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. Put down in the comments if you want me to come back to this and try to get all the drivers actually installed on it properly. I think something else is wrong with the driver disk that I have, and that's probably why it kind of didn't work like I wanted to. You know, I would try and move things over, I'd try and install it, it would lock up, whatever. That's just because the CD drive, it has issues. It's always been like this. Well, not always. It started to degrade as I've been using it a lot more lately, so yeah. That's going to have to do it for this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. Also, check out my merch at alloverwindows.com. I do have much more than just a hat and clothing. I have cups, stickers, etc., etc. If you think I should add anything else to my merch website, please let me know down in the comments below. And make sure, don't forget to join my Discord, which is also down in the description below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye, guys.